Hello guys, this is Olushola David and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I've been able to generate over $9,000 by promoting a dropshipping tool, which is Ecom Hunt. Now, Ecom Hunt is a winning product tool that helps you create winning products that you can actually sell on your dropshipping website. So I personally use Ecom Hunt on my dropshipping website, and I also promote them as an affiliate. So by promoting them as an affiliate, I've been able to generate over $9,000 in the process. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I've been able to do this. I'm going to show you the tips and tricks I've been using to promote them and how I've been able to generate this affiliate income. So I'm also going to log into my affiliate dashboard, then show you the exact figures I've been able to make while promoting this platform. Alright, so if this is something you'd like to know, if this is something you'd like to do for yourself, I want you to stick around, watch this video to the end. And if this is your first time visiting the channel, please don't forget to like the video. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. Then most especially, subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get more videos like this. Alright, so without any further ado, let's get started. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your WhatsApp account to an affiliate machine that can generate you affiliate income for a very long time. So what I did was that I promoted Ecom Hunt on my WhatsApp and I was able to generate over $9,000 in the process. Now, 90% of the income was generated on WhatsApp and few of the sale was also made on my website. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire step on how I was able to do this to generate over $9,000 from using WhatsApp to promote an affiliate product. Now, before I show you how to do this, let's talk about the affiliate product. Then after that, I'm going to log into my affiliate dashboard, then show you how much I've been able to generate by using WhatsApp to promote this product here, which is Ecom Hunt. So now the name of the product is Ecom Hunt, like I said earlier, and what this product do is that they helps you source out products that are doing well on the market. So if you want to start a dropshipping business, now this is the kind of website you can create an account on and source out products that you can sell on your dropshipping website. So if you create an account with them, they will bring out products, and some of the products is going to be logged depending on the plan you have with them on the platform. So these products are logged, so you can't have access to them, but there are other products that they've released in the past day that you can gain access to. So as you can see, this was posted 3 days ago, so you can gain access to products like this. And what this product do is that they are trending products that you can quickly add to your dropshipping website, then promote them to make quick profit. Okay, so if you scroll down, you see the list of products goes down. Okay, so if you want to search for that, all you simply need to do, just click on the number of page here and you gain access to available products on the platform. Now, before I show you how I was able to do this, let me log into my affiliate dashboard, then show you how much I've been able to generate by promoting this product by promoting this product on my WhatsApp account. So this is my affiliate dashboard. I'm going to log in now, then show you how much I've been able to generate. Alright, so as you can see now, this is my affiliate dashboard, and I'm going to scroll down and show you how much I've been able to make from this platform. So I've been able to make over $9,000. So let me make this a little closer. Alright, so as you can see, I've been able to make $9,669,000 by promoting this product. So this is the total amount I've been paid on this platform, on this affiliate program, and this is the upcoming, and this is the due amount I have that I can withdraw. Alright, so how did I promote this product? Now, what I was doing was I was creating value, and the value I was creating was something I was supposed to charge for, but I didn't charge for the value, but instead I used Ecom Hunt to monetize the value. Now, what I did was that I created a WhatsApp group, and in this WhatsApp group, I was giving out training on how to start a dropshipping business. So I created a WhatsApp group and I create massive awareness about the group. So for people that want to learn how to start a dropshipping business. So I teach these people how to start a dropshipping business for free, but I told them that if they want to source for product, if they want to add products to their website, they have to use Ecom Hunt. So Ecom Hunt was the product I used to monetize the training. Now, this wasn't easy at all because this was really time consuming, but it got to a point whereby I was able to outsource it to someone else. So this person was able to carry out the training on my behalf. And another reason that allowed me to make this amount of money with this product was that the product offer a recurring affiliate program. So as you can see here, it says as an Ecom Hunt affiliate, you receive 40% recurring commission 40% recurring commission on all users you refer to the platform. So this means that everybody I was referring to the platform, so far they keep staying on the platform. To keep using the platform, they have to keep renewing their subscription every month. So for every user that stay on the platform, I was able to get affiliate commission on each and every one of them when they keep renewing their affiliate commission. So this is how I was able to leverage on this product using my WhatsApp account to promote it and make affiliate commission in the process. But all of this was possible because I really understand the product. So what I'm going to suggest is that if you want to promote any product like this, you have to really understand the product. Now, because I understand the product, I was able to strategize how to promote the product. So me understanding the product, because I use it myself, so I know the kind of people that would love to use the product, and I know how I can really get to these people without asking them to pay. So I was able to get to them using WhatsApp, and from my WhatsApp, I invite them to a free training, and I'm sure most of them like the word free. So since the training was free, everybody was running to the group, and when they enter the group, we give out the training and ask them to sign up for a free account. Okay, so when they sign up for a free account, so for them to get access to premium product, they have to upgrade their account. So this is how I was able to monetize the training using Ecom Hunt and using the free training to maximize my affiliate commission. All right, so this is basically how I was able to promote affiliate product using my WhatsApp account to make serious affiliate commission in the process. All right, so if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. So thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.